Hello and welcome. Thank you very much. Today we are going to discuss about some safety aspects. It is a very famous and renowned topic that what is different between plan and procedure. Because mostly we see that people are describing a plan instead of procedure, procedure instead of plan. So how to make differentiate between two eminent and prominent documents in the safety, health and safety department. So this is not only for health and safety department, this is ISO international standard. That what is plan actually? Plan is a strategic whole and core design document which describes each individual's accountability, role, contribution, what they will do by themselves actually. Who will do what, where it will be done, what is the workplace, who are the involved, who is client, who is contractor, who is subcontractor, who is performer, and what is the accountability according to the organization, hierarchy of organizations especially, and who will perform what. Suppose project manager, safety manager, construction manager, site supervisor, site superintendent, safety supervisor, safety officer, technician, worker, ERT team, emergency team, first aiders, these all permit receiver, permit issuer, these all people are accountable for their particular role and responsibility that will be described in this frame structure. And in this structure, plan, in the plan, these all will be mentioned. All will be mentioned, and this is called procedure. Okay, so in the plan, all will be mentioned. First of all, the scope of work will be defined. What is company name? What is organization name? Who is the topmost? Who is the highest position in the organization? Who is CEO? Who is MD? Who is director? Who is construction manager, project manager? This all accountability will be described along with safety policy. Safety policy, the main document that need to be added with the plan. So first, the title, project name, and scope of work, then descriptions of this hierarchy of organization, management, and who will do what. Who is the accountable person, project manager, construction manager, all will be described. Then we'll match this standard, this plan according to national and international safety code and practice. We cannot make just by ourselves. We have to inline with and according to the local bodies and international. Suppose if you're working in Sabiq, Aramco, Indian refinery, or any refinery, British Petroleum, whatever you are working, wherever you are working, you have to inline with their policy, their plan. There is one consolidated plan prepared by them for you. According to that, you have to inline this plan with that plan, and then you have to prepare that plan. You are the one who is going to preparing the plan. That plan will be prepared by some authorized dignitary, and then it will be signed by so many signatories. Project manager, construction manager, then it will go for the client for the approval and review. Even though this document is required to go for the third party or stakeholders who are also involved in that function of the project. Okay, so according to that plan will be prepared. Suppose we can say we have one plan that is called emergency response plan. How to react in case of emergency, and who are the person to be involved in this emergency exactly, and what are their roles and how to react, and what scenario may occur, and according to that scenario, what tools, materials, readiness, equipment, device, and persons, material that are required for that. What? So that will be described as per the topic in this ERP, Emergency Response Plan. So who will be responsible? What materials are required? What is the scope of work? What is the work location? How to react in case of emergency? So these all will be mentioned in this emergency response plan. In the emergency response plan, there is procedure. Procedure is we can say a stepwise function. What is called a stepwise function? A stepwise function. Suppose there is one person who is called incident commander. Incident commander. He is the person who is commanding the incident if anything goes wrong. What will he do? First of all, at the site, suppose a person get injured, a worker who is doing some activity like grinding, and suddenly his index finger come in contact with the grinder machine and it gets slight lacerations or injury. Immediately he will report to his supervisor and safety officer simultaneously, because he is also present in his location. The safety officer will report immediately to his supervisor, because supervisor is senior to safety officer. He will report to supervisor will report to safety manager, and safety manager will report to project manager and client as well. As if it is severe and grievous, he will call for third party to come and join and support us, like civil department, firefighting department, or if we need some Red Cross ambulance or from government, we can take the support from there. So there will be ERT team. The crew supervisor and safety supervisor will call ERT team. ERT team contain ambulance, first aider, doctor, stretchers, and emergency help devices. Okay, so they will arrive to the scenario, and he have to give the description. When somebody is going to call him, he has to tell his name, his batch number, his details, that I am calling from this BI, this project, my name is this one, my position is this, I am calling from this location, and this thing happened with one of the workers, and he got injured on the index finger, so please come and help us. The patient is stable, and we already given him first aid, but we need your further support. Then this team will arrive down the location, and they will treat the patient, and they can give some bandage or whatever they have to do, and they will, even though if it is severe, they will transfer the patient to the hospital. So this will be done by them. Even though this scenario will be given to management, third party, reporting personals, all this message will be circulated to everybody. These all process of procedure, like a stepwise process. A stepwise process is called procedure. How to react. Okay, who are the responsible, but how to react, it is also part of ERP. So this function is called procedure. Suppose we can take another example. Suppose in the project there is each and every organization has individual health safety management system. Health safety management system, we can say plan. Okay, this is called corporate document. Corporate document is important for each organizations to, if it is established organizations, because they have to go for third party audit, and it should be signed by, policy should be signed by senior management like CEO, director, or vice president, who are the authorized, they can sign. Okay, then this health safety management plan will be in line with the project plan. Okay, and this document will be signed by senior management. Similarly, there is one document for the project that is called project safety management system, or in some organization we can say project health safety management system. Even though in Aramco we say CSSP, Contractor Site Safety Plan. Contractor Site Safety Plan. This is called principal document. This is called principal document. This is called principal document, even though you can go another word, principle. Principle, you can see two different meaning. Principle means main and principle means theory, rule. So it is principle and principles. Principle and principle, both. Okay. So this document has so many subparts like ERP, HIP and CSSP, hazard identification plan. These documents are the main documents. According to that, on the side we are making risk assessment, risk assessment, and some project we make JSA or and SOP, safe operation procedure. Both documents are procedure. Both documents are procedure. They are showing how to perform the activity and how to control hazards and risk along with the work, stepwise. Okay, so these are the brief introduction about plan and procedure. I hope that this video is beneficial for you. Please like and share my channel, and I would like to make different videos for you for the different purpose about the safety. So be with me. Thank you very much.